Hi, welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to deliver soul messages. Today I'll be reading energy with a pendulum for chakras. I'll be using tarot and an oracle to close the message. A friendly reminder that this is a general energy reading, always with love, hoping to connect to those who would benefit from these messages. Also, I feel like the energy's kind of been a little bit low vibrational for me. I've been a little sick and I've missed 2 days of wanting to talk to you all, whoever's listening, and because I had to reel it in and heal self. And so I'm wanting to cleanse the energies with Palo Santo. I send positive vibes, healing vibes to all who are watching and tuning in at this very moment. So thank you guys. I'm going to put this away. Okay, so let's begin. Also, I shuffled and meditated on your energies, so we'll begin with crown, third eye, throat, the heart, wait, sorry, let me see, the heart, solar plexus, sacral, and root. There it is. Thank you. Okay, so for today, it focused on the root. It went the opposite way, saying, so the root is the first chakra. It's considered the first chakra. It is located on the base of the spine, and it provides the foundation on which we build our life, representing safety, security, stability. It is said that imbalanced attributes would be considered scattered energies, anxiety, and fear base. It basically represents our foundation, our safety, our survival. Emotionally, it is said that it is the sense of belonging, independence. And physically, that's where we hold like our spine, our bladder, our blood, our lower limbs, our reproductive organs as well. It is considered to also, obviously hold our feet, our nails, for women, our womb. So in a balanced way, you would want to feel the sense of independence, of trust in life, of feeling grounded in some way, because this is also the connection to earth. It is where we hold like our sense of life, like I said. And so when we're overactive in this area, we're maybe a bit domineering, if that's what the word is. We can show signs of like greediness, sometimes violent too, and just bossy, and just like very much in our ego. And when we're like underactive, it is considered to that we can be in a sense of fear, like frustrated, possibly shy, not really wanting to be around people, very unsure, and also sexually inadequate, if you want to put it that way as well. So with that said, I would say to meditate and focus on that particular chakra of ours, possibly with the color red, eating fruits and vegetables that are in that essence, eating healthy and being intentional behind that particular area of ourselves. As we walk into places, how secure are we, kind of like bring energy onto that area of ourselves. Also take walks, like I said, being nature, that would also help heal that. And again, just the simple essence of being intentional behind our basic trust, our knowing what it is that we possibly need to work on, with all those words that I mentioned, and also do your own research regarding to how to better heal that particular area, or how to bring back balance for self. So with that said, I'm going to move on to tarot, see what else we have going on. I'm also going to do mind, body, and spirit. Like I said, I had already shuffled, but I'm going to go ahead and one more time. Mind, body, spirit. And in the overall. Okay, I had seen this card when I cut it. So in the overall, it's speaking about the Eight of Wands. In our mind is the card of death, and in our body is the World card. These are two major arcanas. And in our spirit, or in our mind, or in the overall as well, there is the King of Swords. So in the overall, it speaks about the Eight of Wands, like I said. And Wands is representative of the fire within us, which is our inspiration, our creativity, our ideas, our energy flow, our action, more than anything. And this speaks a lot about action. This is speed. This is progress, sudden progress coming in. This is action, a quick change. This is a card of excitement. The number 8 speaks about mastery, action again, and accomplishing things, accomplishment in some way or another. So expect that to be happening, and because we got the root in our chakra, it is speaking about rooting things for ourselves. The root also speaks about our family and again, like possibly our job, our careers, things that we're honing in per se. And so there's major change coming in, and they're coming fast, being that it's fire. However, in our mind, it speaks about giving death a new beginning of some sort, because this is not an actual, it doesn't, I know it says death, but it really is the essence of rebirth more than anything, of change, of transitioning, transformation, of moving on, and endings. And so in our mind, it is saying, like, move on, like finally bring things to the conclusion, move on from what no longer serves you. And this is major energies. In other words, give death to possibly the negative thinking, things that again are not going to be rooted or not be a strong foundation for us. And the most beautiful aspect of it is that these two major arcanas are death and the world. La muerte. or el mundo. And so this one speaks, the world speaks about that in itself, a new world, completion. This is total success. This is possibilities. This also speaks about travel. This speaks about accomplishment, like finally accomplishing something. So mentally, you're giving death to what no longer serves, feeling the sense of rebirth. And then here comes a new world to say, here we go again. And Spirit is saying, with a clear mind, with a more direct, truthful, balanced sense of self. He's a masculine. He is the king of swords, and he represents self-discipline, routine. He is mental clarity. Like I said, he speaks truth. He is intellectual power. So in the overall, I want you to be clear of mind, to be very truthful of where we are and where we're going, how we're moving here. Because the 8, what is it? The mastery kind of, for life kind of symbol is here, or at least the essence of it, the number. So with all that said, I hope that you do, start walking with more, independence, with self-discipline, with mental clarity above anything. I hope that you bring in a healthy routine that will allow you to begin a new world. And this is saying also we're protected. This is Mother Earth saying, I'm here for you. This is nature. This is our own vulnerability saying, we're here for you. So I hope that this message is of service for you guys. I'm going to end this with an oracle. Ooh, okay. El Diablo. He speaks about shadow self. He is the side that we as human beings don't like to look at a lot of the times, our ego, our unhealthy ego. He speaks of addictions, of temptations, of materialism, obsessions, fear, feeling the essence of feeling trapped. With that said, who are you? Where are you going? Have discipline. Have truth to yourself. Cut those chains. Okay? Thank you. Let's see if anything comes out for us naturally. Okay. A burst of magic, number 48. I'm going to read from its guidebook. And this is Oracles of the Seven Energies by Colette Baron. So, key concept of this particular oracle: an epiphany, a sudden higher knowing, a sense that everything has a purpose, your purpose as a gift bestowed upon you, cultivating conscious contact with a higher power, coming to know what calls to you and lights you up. So it says, sometimes you may find that something you've been pondering or a dilemma you've let go of revisits you without warning. It may hit you while you're thinking about nothing, or the trigger may be just the right words arising in a conversation, a book, or a blog. An epiphany strikes like a lightning bulb, waking you up to a truth that has previously eluded you. It's as if the whole world stops in that moment as you integrate the missing piece of the puzzle you were meant to solve all along. This is such a time for you now. Answers are coming directly from source and being downloaded into you with such force of conviction that you cannot be the same again. Be grateful for this beautiful burst of magic. It is not an everyday gift. Inherent in this is the knowledge that Spirit is always listening to you. Spirit is your loving partner, reminding you that you are not alone. Even when it appears that you are trapped, you always have a key to unlock the solutions if you cultivate the willingness to be open to and in tune with Source. The answers you seek come when you stop looking for them. Be mindful today. When information pops out of the blue, pay attention. The action you need to take will become obvious as you integrate this magical wisdom. Regardless of the subject of your inquiry, you will be transformed. Only good will come of this. Thank you so much, Collective. I adore you guys, and I send you the best of vibes. Please subscribe, please like, and I hope that this message, again, is for your greatest good and ultimately the good of all. Thank you so much. Ciao.